proud.
Original full. Let's go. Let's sing for her. In or out?
20 years na ako kumakanta ito.
Honestly, Manila, you guys make us do something. You know how to make us dance. You make me do something I never do.
And you know, sinabi sa amin ng mga Korean staff ko kagabi, nagulat daw sila kasi sabi nila, siyempre di ba sabi niya, ang lakas ng boses nila, wala akong maririnig. Ang lakas-lakas daw. At sabi sa akin ng mga staffs ko, iba talaga yung energy ng Manila. Sa backstage. Ang galing niyo pala sumayaw. Grabe. Did you saw them dancing?
Yes.
During the dance challenge.
Dancing, singing, everything.
Having fun.
But honestly, I really believe you guys are the best singers. What is in the water? Everyone here could sing. You guys have a beautiful voice and you guys can really sing. So it was really fun, like singing with you guys and dancing with you guys.
Yes, Filipinos are known for their hospitality. And they're really friendly. And they're really happy, bright persons. And they love music. They love K-pop and they love 21. I really want to go back, come back to Manila and perform for you guys. Of course, with 21.
Day 3!
I feel like this year she's having like 20 birthday parties. So, yeah, she's not crying anymore, but I know she's happy.
Of course. Kasi kahapon nag-celebrate din kami, pero ngayon, syempre, di ba, we have to celebrate too. Ay, lakas talaga ng aircon dito sa Manila.
Let's make a wish first though, and then we can talk.
My wish is to be back in Manila to perform for you guys. And I hope 21 and Blackjacks will always be healthy and happy. Mahal na mahal ko kayo talaga.